Exciting news, Crunchified Clean friends. Here are some of the things on the new concentrated cleaner bottle that I am loving. It is more aesthetically pleasing. It's a simpler look. It still has a lot of information on the back, so you'll know how to properly use it and what the ingredients are and lots of other great information. It does not have a sticky label on it. The older bottle had a sticky label that wrapped all around it. The newer bottle does not, so that's a minimal waste way of creating the bottle. It has a QR code on the back, so when you use your smartphone, it will bring you to a website which has a very educational and informative video explaining all about how Young Living gets the essential oils to make the cleaner. So check it out. Really cool, quick video.
I love Thieves because it works. You can use it for many things: toothpaste, Thieves wipes, and household cleaner.
Thieves is an incredible blend. It has rosemary, lemon, cinnamon, clove, and eucalyptus radiata. And we needed to find dedicated partner farms that really wanted the best quality possible.
We manage about 4,000 acres of smallholder farmers where we procure our raw materials from cinnamon to cloves. Harvesting cloves is a manual job. Our farmers are really good climbers and they know what to do. We are the first company in Sri Lanka to export organic essential oils. It's not only about being pesticide-free, it's about traceability and sustainability as well. We have Young Living specifications which are really strict, and before it even leaves our door, all these parameters are tested.
The lemon farm, we've been working with Trapiano. They have beautiful agricultural practices. Their greenhouse was impeccably clean. There's no GMOs. They take such care with the new trees and the cover crop and the regenerative agriculture. And then they have a separate facility where they extract the essential oils. And then just like Young Living's farms, they have an on-site laboratory.
Rosemary is endemic to Morocco. The pressure on white-grafted rosemary is huge. It's vanishing progressively. So when we started this about 7 years ago, we decided to farm everything that's wild and jeopardized. We are proud to work with Young Living. We share some values. Everything is completely natural. We don't use any additives, fertilizers. We have 2 plants, 1 distillation, 1 extraction. Quality for us is a really important matter because that's the way to make a difference.
We farm a number of different oils, including eucalyptus.
What helps to give consistency to quality is we've got agronomists, and then they will go out and teach our growers our philosophy, how to do regenerative farming.
They pick out by hand any impurities to ensure that only the best oil arrives.
For me, there's nothing more important than seed to seal, in the fact there's nothing more important than knowing what you're buying.
I love Thieves, and I also love the impact that it has globally.
We provide fair wages, fair working hours. We carry out special social programs such as providing scholarships.
You know, we have a majority of women working here. They are paid on their own bank account, which means that it's their money.
الحمد لله كنجيو وحنا فرحانين لخدمتنا كما كتشوف كلشي اللي عينيكم. كيخدم على راسو ما كيحتاجش انه يقول لشي واحد عطيني ولا هذا.
In Argentina, I was really impressed that they care so much about the waterways, everything in their area, and then their massive protected forest.
We don't buy the oil from our growers, rather we sell it on their behalf, so they'll make 3 to 4 times the minimum wage.
If you buy even 2 or 3 bottles, you must remember that you're changing our lives.
With every purchase of Thieves blends or product, now you can really see the massive impact that you're making on communities all over the world. If Gary had a chance to visit all of these farms, I know he would be blown away and so touched because it's exactly our standards, but not just the quality standard, but it's the passion that all of these individuals and farms feel towards the local community, the plants, giving back to nature, not because you have to, because you want to leave something behind. You really want to make an impact.
To the end user, thank you for what you're doing.
I can see how many people are impacted from the farmers all the way to the consumer.
I am a Young Living distributor for many years, so make sure you use my link down below because when you buy directly from Young Living or a distributor, you get a money-back guarantee and you get the Young Living seed to seal guarantee. You know that your product will be made with high-quality essential oils. I like that the cap even has the seed to seal logo on it. The cap on the new bottle is so cool because it's the same size cap as the old bottle, but I love that it has this extra barrier around it so it prevents any leaking. You're not losing your liquid gold. And when you are filling your cap, if anything runs over, it still stays within the cap itself. And you're minimizing the risk of losing your Thieves concentrated cleaner by it spilling out. So I think that's a fantastic idea with the cap. I can use my current spray bottle that I have on my 14.4 ounce onto the new bottle. I have a video showing how you can use your bottle. Once it's all used up, you can turn it into a spray bottle by attaching a nozzle to it. I am really digging the new bottle for Thieves concentrated cleaner. I think it's fantastic. I think there's a lot of really cool eco-friendly ways they changed it, and it's also biodegradable. So when you have one bottle of a concentrated cleaner that can replace 8 to 9 to 10 other bottles and sprays to clean your home or office, you are helping to minimize waste. It's very cost effective since one bottle of concentrated cleaner can make up to 65 bottles of 30-ounce cleaner. That comes out to under 40 cents a bottle. So it will save you lots of money. It's a concentrated cleaner that smells like a Christmas spa, and I absolutely love it. Plant-based, eco-friendly. Use my link down below. I'm a Young Living distributor, member 11694369. I've been using it for years in my home and my green certified cleaning business. It's fantastic. Check out my YouTube channel for more videos and tips and tricks on how to use Thieves Cleaner and how to make it a disinfectant on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.